What's going on, RV world? It's Cam Hilliard here from Miller's RV in Baton Rouge, and we are standing in front of the 2306 Micro Mini by Winnebago. Let's check this awesome thing out. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on your post notifications. We're always posting good stuff, so it'll help you keep updated with what's happening new in the RV market. Also the current stuff that we're trying to flush out, actually like this. So we have 4 of these 2306 BH right now, and we're trying to push them out. So typically these things sell for, you know, MSRP is around 55. We'll sell them usually upper 30s. Right now we've got them listed right under 32,000, 31,998 for this thing. So let's check out the top 3 cool features why I love this floor plan. All right, so my number 1 feature on this 2306 BHS is this half door here. So when we open it up, it just looks like bunks, which in one way it is. So we've got a lower bunk and we've got a top bunk. So this increases the sleeping capabilities to truly like 5 or 6 on this. So the bunks are great for sleeping or for storage. I've sold more of this floor plan to couples who don't plan on camping with kids than I had to people who camp with kids, just because this is great storage not only when it's laid down, but also it folds up here. So this is perfect for putting ice chests, chairs, your easy up tents. Also, a mountain bike will fit fine for you. Take the front tire off the mountain bike if you have a really nice mountain bike like I do. In the not mountains that we have here, I don't know why I have a nice mountain bike, but I do. Instead of putting it on a bike rack that's outside and I'm going to throw some tarp cover over it, you can take the front tire off and you can fit the mountain bike in there, no problem. And if you take that front tire off, you can probably fit a couple of them in here with relative ease. So that's my number 1 feature. Let's check out the inside for my number 2 feature that I like. So my second top feature that I like on this 2306, Micro Mini's done this in a couple of the floor plans, the 2108 DS and of course the 2306 BHS. So it's the Murphy bed behind here. I love the Murphy bed because in a full-size trailer it may not be as useful because, you know, full-size trailer you've got more room. In the 7-foot trailers, this thing's only 4,600 pounds empty. We'll be able to tow this with, you know, some Tacomas and just smaller half-ton trucks. You can tow this no problem. So when you have a smaller trailer, you got to give up more amenities. That's right. That's how it is in every way. But with this, you can fold up the bed, get out your way, and you can sit in this comfy couch. It's really, really comfortable couch, and you can watch TV. You have a lot of natural light coming in. It's a really, really nice feature. Also, what I love, this is just a side note, this is not my number 3, is the storage that's underneath here. So this storage actually opens into the pass-through compartment. So you have a full pass-through compartment on the front. So this opens to it. If you want to put like chairs or maybe something that's a little bit longer and you had your mountain bikes already there, you can fit stuff in these side compartments, and then you've actually got your clothes or sock drawers below. So I really like this Murphy bed as a setup as a whole. I love the storage below, I love the couch, and then even the hanging space for your clothes on either side. So that's my number 2 feature. Let's check it out. Number 3 to close this video out. Okay, so I'm stepping down from the shower. This is my number 3 thing that I love on this 2306 BHS. So it's the shower that we have here. It's a big shower. I think that Micro Mini does a really good job across the board at giving you good sized bathrooms on a smaller trailer, and especially shower size. So we talked about the 2108 DS a few weeks ago, and I really like that shower. But I like even more, this is a corner shower. And also, since it's a glass door, I like that a lot better. I think it's a lot more roomy. It feels more sturdy instead of like that plastic curtain material that you have on some of the other showers. So I really, really like this. And this shower has 2 little ledges here that I think are really convenient. A lot of showers in RVs don't have anywhere to put your shampoo or your soap, so it's just kind of awkward. You have to get those little things to stick on the wall or even set it on the floor. So I like that. I think it's a small thing that goes unnoticed a lot, but I think it's very convenient to have. So I really like this big shower. I like the bathroom. It's nice and roomy, a lot of natural light, so I love that. But yeah, so those are just the 3 of my favorite things on this Micro Mini. It has a lot to offer. You ought to come check it out. So we're going to hop in the living room and close this video. Yeah, so like I said, those were my top 3 reasons why I love the 2306 BH, from the bunks to the bathroom to the Murphy bed. I think this floor plan has a lot to offer. And like I said at the start of the video, we have a few of these in stock, so we're going to be blowing them out before the 23s come out. So if you want to get a good deal, hang around some cool people, come check us out. Again, this is Miller's RV in Baton Rouge, and as always, enjoy the journey.
Hey, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Please let us know if you have other questions you want to answer, and if you have nothing else to do, watch one of these videos here. Subscribe so you know when more are coming out. Have a great day and enjoy the journey.